So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unpin messages from WhatsApp business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your WhatsApp business messages, and you can see the first chat on the right side of the screen of pinned icon. So just tap on the message until you will see the option on the top bottom of your screen like unpin, delete, mute and many more. So you should have to tap on the second option of unpin. So tap on it. Now you can see the icon of chat unpinned, and chat is successfully unpinned from the WhatsApp business. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.